I've never worked a gait off this horse before. I haven't tried. And we're gonna see if we can work this gait. And I'm gonna talk through what I'm doing and why. And we'll see what happens. So when I'm got a cow horse in training, my cows are normally over here. And whatever horse I'm training, we're gonna go in and out to pull our cow out to work it, to do our training. That's an actual functional thing that this horse will learn to go get the cow out of that pen to get it out here to work. So one of the things that he needs to learn is he needs to know how to work the gait. He might work it really good. He might give me a lot of problems. I don't know. We're fixing to find out together. Now here, right off the bat, see how he's turning? Like he knows this is a gate. He knows he's gonna walk through the gate. He doesn't understand the concept of he needs to get sideways to the gate so that I can unlatch it. I don't wanna ever scold a horse right here by the gate. I'm gonna walk up and we're gonna walk down the gate, go forward, forward, and stop. What my objective is to get the horse parallel to the gate with the latch about even with my knee. That's where I want to get to. Now he's walked away. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a circle over here. Make a circle. I'm gonna enter by the hinge side of the gate, walk down the gate. It's wanting to turn away. We're gonna go back this way. Go back forward again. He understands that's gate and he knows to walk through it. I'm going to use my left rein and my left hand to position him parallel to the gate. We're not quite parallel, but I'm going to let him stand here. We're going to work his body over a little bit at a time to get him in position to work this gate. What I want to do, I'll use whatever, my legs, my hands, whatever I need to do to get him in position. And usually what happens, if they don't understand what you're doing, if the cues are kind of green, which he's a 3-year-old, so a lot of his cues are green, their mind says go through the gate, but they're not putting together the cues to go through the gate because their mind knows they go through the gate this way, and they don't understand why I'm asking them to be parallel to the gate. So that's what you have to work through with the horse, is getting them to understand it. Before we can walk through that gate, we have to stand parallel to it. So I'm going to use my left rein and my left leg, see if I can tip his nose to the left, push his hip over, get him more parallel, parallel, and stop. My objective is to get him parallel to the gate with the latch even with my knee. Every step we take in that direction, I'm going to let him stand. Any step that we take that's not in that direction, then we're going to circle back around and go the other way. See if I can push his hip over, push his hip, push his hip. Whoa, good boy, good boy. This is actually pretty close to workable here. Let's see if he'll stand here while I reach down and unlatch it. I'm going to move it just a little bit because I don't want it to surprise him. All right. He started thinking about going through the gate, so we're going to go back to the hinge, down the gate. That was an improvement. Go back to the hinges. Walk down the gate. A little bit of left rein, left leg, try to get him in position. Push him over, left leg, push him over, push him over. He knows what this means. This is not a new cue to him. But his brain is saying, I can't walk through the gate that way. I'll walk through the gate this way. Good boy. Good boy. Now I'm going to reward him here. Move the gate. I don't want him moving his feet when the gate moves. He needs to move his feet when I tell him to move. So if he's going to stand when I reach down to unlatch it. All right, the gate was moving. He thought he should walk through it. It's not going to go through it. Let's walk a circle. He has to wait on me. Wait on me. He understands the concept of walking through a gate. That's not the problem. He's trying to do what he knows to do. He has to wait on me to get the gate where it needs to be. Got to get over next to it. Got to get over next to it. Nope, that's not it. Whoa. I need him to stand when the gate moves. See how he's moving as soon as the gate moves? He needs to stand. Let's walk, move the feet. Move the feet. And go back to the gate. It's parallel with the gate better this time. Move the feet. Move the feet. And you notice when I say move the feet, I'm not punishing him. I'm not being hard on him. Good boy. Nope, gotta stand. Gotta stand by the gate. He's not really trying to be bad, and that's what you need to understand. He's not trying to be bad. We're at a gate. He's expecting to go through the gate. He don't understand why I'm asking him to go through the gate this way, because he knows that's not how you go through a gate. Move the gate. Step back forward, you need to stand. Good boy. Reward him for standing. Move the gate. Good boy. Move the gate. So whether I actually accomplish walking through this gate or not doesn't matter. That's a big thing. Don't focus on the accomplishment of the gate. The accomplishment of him understanding to listen to me is a much bigger accomplishment than actually operating this gate for a young horse that's just learning. This horse is just 3 years old. Probably never worked a gate off horseback before. Oh, we're not turning that way. Let's go back this way. If you're working a horse and you're going to show, say, something like ranch trail, this is one of the obstacles they're just about always going to have, is to operate a gate. Operating the gate to go in and get the cow that we're working is a thing that we do every day. Now, what I'm going to do here, I want to really trigger his mind, hey, this is something different. His mind is on going through this gate. It's obvious because every time I move the gate, he turns that way like he's wanting to go. So I really want to trigger in his mind, hey, we're doing something different. This isn't what you think. So we're actually not going to walk through this gate. I'm going to do something drastically different. Remember what my objective was? To get his feet to stand still when this gate was moving. See his expression on his face? He has an expression like, what I was trying to do obviously isn't what we're doing. Let me look at this situation and figure it out. That's what his brain is doing right here. He's trying to figure out, okay, what am I supposed to do? So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to step down and I'm going to quit. And we're going to walk away from this gate. He thought we were going through the gate. I'm changing it. That wasn't what our objective was. Our objective was to stand parallel to the gate. And I bet you this horse is going to be better working the gate next time. This is Red. I'll put a link to the other videos that I've done with him. Until next time, thank you for watching.